How to fix Trust Wallet network fee problem. So here are some common issues and how to fix them. So inefficient BNB, TRX, or Ethereum to cover network fee. So it happens every transaction in networks to pay for gas and stuff. You can use USDT, USDC, or ETH on other chains. You can fix this. Always keep some native tokens like BNB, TRX, or Ethereum in your wallet. So when sending, deduct the fee amount from your total. So for example, if you have 0.1 BNB and the fee is 0.002, you're gonna have to send 0.098 BNB to compensate for the fee. The next is the transaction under price error. So it means your gas price was set too low, so miners ignored it. So for the solution, on the confirmation tap the gear icon, then increase the gas price. So from 5 to 7 or 10 GUI for BSC as an example. Retry this transaction with a new fee, and if it's still failing, update Trust Wallet or reset the wallet. After saving your recovery phase. The next is transaction stuck on pending for a long time. Common causes is low fees relative to network congestion and unconfirmed Bitcoin transactions. So you can fix this for Ethereum-based chains. Go into the pending TX tab, speed up, and cancel if available. For Bitcoin or other non-EVM chains, wait for most transactions drop from most of the network after a while. The next is excessively high fees. Ethereum network congestion. So over here, using Trust Wallet, Swift Wallet, which charges more. Reaction to live network conditions. So tips for lower fees: schedule transfers during off-peak hours, pretty much at the late nights or weekends. You can use lower fee networks like Tron, BSC, Polygon, or Arbitrum where possible. Consider spreading transactions across multiple smaller ones if limits allow. And finally, last option over here is to transaction fails even with fee. So wrong network token, outdated app, or wallet data glitch. So ensure you're paying in correct native gas tokens like Beth and not RAV or Arbitrum. Clear Trust Wallet internal data, so settings, then reset app data. Or you can reinstall the app. Doesn't really get rid of anything, you're just gonna have to log back in again. And you can verify your wallet balance via an Explorer. But anyways, hopefully most of these methods can help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.